Hello, good evening, everyone. So today we have Dr. Aditya Rajapati here with us. He's one of the toppers of the NEET MDS, which is conducted in December 2021. And he's got an amazing rank of rank 12. And it's a pleasure to us to invite Aditya Rajapati here and to give us tips of what to do and more importantly, what not to do to in order to succeed in your NEET MDS, right? First of all, congrats, Aditya Rajapati.
Thank you, sir.
What are you going to take? That's the first question. What MDS seat or which branch you want to take?
I always wanted to endodontics.
Endodontics,
And
great. So
first time I did my root canal in the final year, I want to take endodontics. So
great, great. I'm sure you'll get endodontics wherever you want it, right?
yes,
So how is the feeling first of all?
it was very emotional for me
Okay,
in my life, and I checked my number more than 4 or 5 times because I was not sure about this. And my and
but definitely you must have done well. That you must have known before the exam as well, right?
I didn't know, sir. I didn't know before the result. Also, I was very scared of the result, but we can't always be sure about the results.
Okay, great. So first of all, uh, just tell the experience or the journey what you went through the entire NEET preparation because most of the students who join start preparing they'll be starting preparing in the month or two, so they are kind of misguided and they don't know what path to take on. So if you can tell from your experience, that will be much more useful for them.
I started my preparation as soon as I completed my internship, sir. But I thought that I could crack the exam just by doing some MCQ books. I was more I I thought I could do 400 to 500 MCQs per day and I could just crack the exam in a single attempt. But it was not like that for me. In my first attempt, I I got some I, I got a decent rank, but I couldn't get a dream seat. So it was very it it it, it, it sorry sir. It was very painful for me at that moment. But after I learned that NEET is not about doing some MCQ books and and cracking the exam. It is more about the preparation part for the MDS exams. So I thought after doing 1 year of MCQ books, then I learned about the basic concepts. So it made the difference for me after 1 year.
That's great. That's great to hear. So, since we have been conducting regular tests like daily tests as well, we always used to see you active in the Telegram group. You used to write almost every test given by us. So, how do you think regular test and a subject test and a grant test is important, and how you have to utilize them in your during the entire course of preparation?
So now the last 2 years of NEET is more about case-based questions and the concept-based questions. So it is very useful for me in the Amalgam PG group where it is mostly concept-based questions than straightforward MCQs. So I thought taking these tests and, and and these questions are more longer. So, so I thought practicing practicing more is helpful for me. It,
Great, great. So the questions were longer. Not only in this INACT was also the questions were longer. The previous NEET exam also it was more clinically oriented. So how do you think you students should manage their time during the exam? Because one of the important factors is time as well. When you get more longer questions, you tend to read the questions more and you lose time in the end. So how did you manage that during exam?
uh,
Did practicing more tests help you, or
so doing
how was the thing?
a lot of mock tests helped me. So doing I did almost 17 mock tests. So it helped me a
Okay.
lot to manage my time in the 3 hours for exam. So lot of mock test helps in the management of time.
So, okay, so giving more mock tests and getting used to the long questions will be the key factor in attending the exam on time, right?
Yes.
Great, fine. So, was Amalgam Notes helpful for you? Like, we are trying to bring in all subject specialists. We did the best we can, and we gave the notes. And how frequently were you are using the app?
Uh, I started with Amalgam PG Notes for the first 4 to 5 months of my first. Sorry, I started with Amalgam PG Notes for the first 4 to 5 months of my preparation, and then I did some MCQs after the a- after I went through the notes, the Amalgam PD app. So it helped me a lot, actually.
Okay. So great. So what we'll cut it short because I'm sure students will not be listening for a longer time because they do have the same attention span deficit as well. So was the revision series helpful for you? Because we had teachers coming and teaching 1-2 hours of revision series during the end of the exam. Was it useful for you?
I say it was it it so it helped a lot during the final hours of the preparation, and just 1 to 2 hours is okay. I think too long it will be very much difficult to concentrate on the subjects. So I thought it will be very helpful for shorter duration of period.
Great. So since the pattern of exam has changed, what will be your advice for all future aspirants? I'll leave it freestyle to you. Whatever comes to your mind, the advice for a future aspirants is this: what they have to do in order to get a same or better rank than you in future for them.
Uh, NEET MDS is not about just doing MCQ books. It is more about learning the concept behind the MCQs, and we are more focused on just doing MCQs and not getting used to the concepts behind the MCQs. So I think future future aspirants should focus more on the eh, focus more on the basic
Concepts.
concepts behind the MCQs and do that and do a lot of mock tests to help them manage time.
Great. So it is the short and sweet advices from Dr. Aditya Rajapati, and we from the entire team of Amalgam give you heartiest congratulations first, and definitely you are going to shine in whatever field you're going to take, and all the best wishes for your future as well. Thank you for your time, and thank you, Aditya.